Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Discord link to TikTok bio. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Discord application and then we're going to get our Discord link. If you have got your Discord link, so you just need to immediately open up your TikTok and then put your Discord link there. But if you haven't got your link, I want to show you how we can get our Discord link. If you want to get Discord link, we need to enable developer mode on Discord. You can go to the Discord setting. Click on the setting icon on the top right, and you're going to scroll all the way down until you find advanced option. Again, this one guys, open up this option, and then here we have to activate the developer mode. I have this developer mode turned on. If you haven't activated this developer mode, so you can simply enable it. And after that, we're going to go to the server we have, or the server we have joined on Discord. I'm going to open up my server, and then you have to send a message to the server, or if you have sent message, you just need to open that, and then you can click on your profile like this and click on this three dots, and then you can copy your user ID. Okay, and now the user ID has been copied to the clipboard, and we're going to paste it. You can open up your notes on your mobile phone, or I'm just going to type in the link right here. Okay, you need to follow what I'm typing here. Type in discord app.com/users/your ID. And then since we have copied our Discord ID, we can just click on paste. All right, and then I'm going to copy this link. Now we got our link, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it on my TikTok. I'm going to click on edit profile, and I'm going to add a bio. Okay, and we need to paste it and click on save. Okay guys, and now the Discord link has been added to my bio, and that's how we can add a Discord link to TikTok bio. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!